Hello everyone, my name is Lazy128 and today, welcome back to Angry Birds Star Wars 2 Master Your Destiny. I was like on Master Your Destiny and then I went back and then it's Naboo's invasion, so man, really game, you ruined my moment. And wow, I did not realize the boat side has 21 and then the pork side has 20, almost the same. But yeah, today we're gonna do levels 11 to 20. And then hopefully it's just like 2 more levels. Wait, no, 1 more video of doing whatever. What? Alright, let's do it. Oh my, are you serious? I'm not sure how to feel about this. Actually, I think I do. This is gonna be risky. One more. This is gonna be like pretty easy, so who do I want? Wait, how do you work again? Oh yeah, you're like yoga. I know. Boom. Is it gonna explode or anything? Nope. Okay. Ooh. So, I was watching Star Wars Rebels before this, so like, yeah. What's Star what? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I know. 500. Maybe no. Like, he does fire. I'm not sure how it works. I could check, but you know I have that's really good right now. Oh my gosh, I think it's you again. I should have aimed for the TNT, honestly. One of them exploded. Anyway. Pretty sure I could have done better. Oh, I just realized, it's a new level. It's like, what is it, the 3rd episode level? Man, I'm a Jedi apprentice though. What? Why can't I? Oh. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. Oh, okay. Should. Oh, wait. Okay. I really want to use my other Angry Birds. Just because I want them. Maybe I'll explain later. You cost 300 or 10. So, you know what? Let's give it a try. Oh, it's just no. Is this a restart? To get this. This might be a good idea or it might be a bad idea. 500. I'm not sure. Window. Let me try. Aim for the TNT. Oh, that did good. And then that. Oh. Oh no, I messed up. Ah man. Wasn't you like that explode? Well, you did the job right. Job done. Nice, we got a 3-star. Oh wow. What the heck? I'm not sure. Anyway. Can you guys see what I'm thinking of? Oh, nice, sounds good. Okay, that part is done now. You know what? Oh my. Again, yeah. And then I'll use it. Here we go. Oh. Wait. Come on. Nice. Ooh. Nice job. 1 stock award. 40 points. That's barely any. If you guys can help me how I can get much score to fill like that ball middle up, please tell me. But these looks like they are asking to. Okay. Let's go, Han Solo. What? And the block was. Are you serious? Like this window is going to somewhat of a better job. Yep, he did a much more better job. And this one is pretty easy. Jedi looks. That's probably overkill. I'm really wondering how I can get like the points higher. Like to fill that middle up. Please so though. Halfway through it. Oh, this is the rebels. Oh, the heck. I'm trying you. Oh, that's how you walk. I forgot. I guess you. Well, and honestly, I can't. No idea what I was thinking. This window? Can you reach that further? That's a question. Oh, just about. But that pig! Are you serious? That pig? Should I restart? That pick is just too full. Come on. No, I don't know what I was thinking. And then, let's do that all over again. Should I? Yeah. Are you serious? That pig is. Oh my gosh. It's getting on my nerves. You can't do that for. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, the answer was literally right in front of me. How did I not see that? How did I? Oh my gosh, I'm super dumb. It's a boost, although. You know what? Wookiees assemble! Oh, no, oh, I thought that would be more fragile. For you still, how? You bounce. And then wait, yeah. Wow, I have underestimated Padme. Level 18. Oh. You're the one I want to try it. And plus this is gonna give me 10 anyways. Chopper. He's like that. Oh yeah. Burn things away. Oh wow. That was not what I was expecting. Oh nice, that was good. That was awesome. Messed up the first time, but the second time was the charm. That was a lot. Oh wait, never mind, that was that much. Level 19. Oh, Timbo! You know what? Wookiees. Wookiees assemble! Oh. Please don't react because of the Wookiee. Wait, is it Wookiees? Wait, no, got fact check a little bit, guys. Wicked! Oh my gosh, it's Wicked all of this time. It was Wicked. Oh, wow. Oh, this is like a mine. Just noticed that one else. How the heck am I gonna do this? No, I was hoping. Oh wait, like I said, I underestimated the moment, and it's not what I had in mind. Alright, now what's the result? 0 or 2. Well, I was only not 4. Should I do the cool duo? Just that. And then Han Solo. Nice. I think that's everything. Is that everything? Because you used a lot. Nice, that was everything. And 1 star. Oh. So that's 10 more levels. Almost ranked up. So this is what I want. So I really want to get these amount of points. Wait a minute. Oh. They have different points. So that's only on some. I got a lot of points on, but some do not. The Inquisitor is that much? That's gonna be hard. Zep, oh. Covenant Han Solo, how am I gonna get that much? Chewbacca, that's too easy. Wait, no, I haven't used Chewbacca at all. Oh wow, most of these are really low. Hologram Dog Cities, that's gonna be impossible. Now that I'm seeing this, I feel like it's possible to get all of them. That is my dream. Because I heard this as a legitimate one. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Everyone, thank you guys for watching. And I will see you all later. Bye!